Ahora sé que sienten las manos. Obvio pensaba en eso. Tienes a todos los casos, tu mamá que está. Pero,
Arriba, Prabhu, connect on the Zoom so that other cars that can also listen. Say that- No, just you have everybody has it in the group. If Banga Prabhu has put it in the group, so everybody should connect in the Zoom on the. So whatever announcement that Samaja Prabhu is doing, everybody can listen. Yeah, and keep your phone close to the speaker. कौन कर रहा है भाई? हाँ? मैं थोड़ी करूँगा। हाँ? सिर्फ फ्राइडे को आ रहे हैं। आपका performance करना है।
No audio, Prabhu. You are not hearing anything.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Are you able to hear? Yes, Prabhu, we can hear you. Are you able to hear, Prabhu?
Madhav Rajanath Prabhu, are you able to hear us on Zoom?
Audio is very low, Prabhuji.
Audio is very low. Now?
Okay, no, keep it. Give it to
Just hold, everybody. If you are trying to fix the audio problem, just hold down.
Pointed towards this direction.
No, keep it speaker near.
Anybody on the same truck
Haribol.
as Sarvaja Madha Prabhu? Can you unmute yourself if you are on the same truck with Sarvaja Madha Prabhu?
No, we are not on the same.
No, please.
We are another
Other
track.
people don't need to tell me you are not. I'm just asking who is on. If anybody is in the same truck, only then you speak. Anybody is in the same truck as Sarvaja Madha Prabhu?
We can't hear you again.
Govincharan Prabhu, put the microphone like a zoom into the speaker.
Mute, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu. Thank you, Virjendra Sutta Prabhu. Govincharan Prabhu, can you hear us?
Yeah.
This is truck number 3.
Keep
No.
the zoom near the speaker.
Put the phone near the speaker, Govincharan Prabhu.
Speaker near the speaker.
Hare Krishna, Virjendra Sutta Prabhu. Virjendra Sutta Prabhu, can you hear me?
Yes, Prabhu, I can hear you.
Prabhuji, can you ask Govincharan Prabhu to keep his phone next to the speaker? He is not
They
getting
did.
our back.
Yeah, they did actually. But I think
So
We can't,
yeah, I'll tell one more time.
we can't listen whatever Sarvaja Madhav is saying.
No, put Sarvaja Madha Prabhu.
phone near the speaker.
No, listen to me,
Keep
Prabhu.
the zoom phone.
No,
near the
listen, Prabhu.
speaker.
Listen. Haribol. Virjendra Sutta
Zoom
Prabhu.
phone near the speaker.
Hare Krishna, we understand. Please let us make the conversation here. Virjendra Sutta Prabhu, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Prabhuji, ask Sarvaja Madha Prabhu to keep one phone closer to his mouth, so whatever he's talking on the speaker, then we'll hear that also.
Okay, Haribol, we'll do that.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
We can't hear anything.
Audio is good, so we are not able to hear you.
Well, he put it, whatever he talks, we'll hear that.
Yeah. Can you? Yeah.
Connect, pair it.
Guru Prasad Maharaj
And
will
give
lead
him
us
and
now.
give it.
Hari
Whatever he talks, we'll hear that.
Are repairing
That
abhi.
was the original plan actually.
Give me
You all
later,
please
don't forget. I'm counting on you.
Pairing का switch रहता है ना.
No, no, you stay.
No, he has to come together.
Hurry,
Go at the front.
आप यहाँ क्लियर.
Who can speak Spanish? Who speaks Spanish here?
No, now we go in the back.
You speak? Okay. Tell him to follow. I mean, go together with us.
Which one is? It's not owning, bro.
And that.
If I'm here, I can make sure.
Yes, parallel.
Yeah.
I can give him my phone.
Yeah.
My phone is only connected with this one.
Haribol.
I'll disconnect Zoom.
You list, you test it. You are my tester phone now.
Okay.
Yes. Haribol. Yes.
So you all heard about the citrus orchard? The tour what you took in the front, that is citrus orchard, 200-acre citrus orchard. And this is the 40-foot cross. You all chant Hare Krishna for the Jesus Christ? If you are not, let's do it right now. Jesus Christ is Jai. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It is not to you. Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You can hear us? Robot team. Awesome. Awesome. Haribol. 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 Let's hear Prabhupada team is a friend. Is all Prabhupada disciples. You are all very fortunate. You are with Guru Prasad Maharaj, Charu Maharaj, Charu Maharaj. So many wonderful souls are with you. So let's hear from you. Chant big Haribol. Haribol. No, we cannot hear you. Can you tell your driver to slow down? He's going too fast. Slow down, so we can hear you. You both can continue. My God, this is long. It's 1 mile. Everybody will try right here. Jogging will be better. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ask him, are you able to hear us? Can you hear us? Sing Haribol. Front team, Prabhupada teams. Haribol. Say Haribol.
Haribol,
Our
Haribol.
service Acharya is right there. Chandramohan Babu. Bhagavan Narada Rishi. Are you able to hear us? He's sleeping.
Ask them to connect to Zoom.
Anushri, are you able to hear us?
Zoom connect kariye Babu. Nahi hoga.
Ask them, everyone, to connect to Zoom.
Anushri, are you able to hear us?
Yeah, ask everyone to connect to Zoom. They can hear.
Prabhupada team, please connect to Zoom. What team you guys are? Do you remember the name? What is your team?
Zoom. Connect to Zoom.
Now, our dear Govind Charan Prabhu is going to show the magic by flying up. You want demo, Prabhuji?
Are there any movie heroes who can keep one leg here and one leg there and come? Oh, go closer.
Okay.
Who knows Spanish to tell the drivers to
zoom
go
करे
closer?
करना zoom ऐसे सुन के देखो आवाज आ रही है
Oh, no. Say thank you to Dr. Manish in the back. Wave hand to Manish Babu. He's Dr. Manish. He has 700 doctors working for him. So you are in safe hands. Haribol! Haribol! They are able to hear very clear. Let's go. One behind, right behind. The CEO of this one Shakir Babu is coming. That one? Shakir Babu is behind. Oh, Shakir Babu is right there with Manish Babu. Haribol!
what other people here
Say something. Say something. Say something. Haribol, go.
Prabhuji, Nityananda is going ahead.
Okay, Gorga team. You're
Government
behind.
team behind.
You want to fly? Harry Potter. Or ask your driver if he's a Santa, he can take you up. Drone! Another drone!
We need to buy 2 more speakers on the other side. Yeah. That was there, so that could have been done.
For this year, just the arrangement is.
But now we know what. The weather is getting good.
What time is it?
4 o'clock.
Within! Come on over, beta. Within, you can stop it now. We'll take it later. Save the battery.
No, you have 3 batteries.
Yeah, bro, right? See me.
Mithil, come, you are our Dronacharya.
I love that.
No, don't fly, stop it. We'll go forward. It's the same road anyway. Nobody's doing any ecstasy. If devotees are doing some ecstasy, you could have captured. They're just sitting idle. They have too much prasadam, they want to sleep right now. You know, if you're sitting next to your family, you can kneel and take a nap. It's a nap round. It's a nap ride for another 5-10 minutes. So if you can take a quick nap, just make sure you don't leave to any other person. And if your family is not waking you up, the driver will wake you up in a short bit.
Yeah. आना ऊपर आना है मेरे साथ ही रहे अच्छा रहेगा यहीं रहे then I tell you you see he with us only he is a Dronacharya
Get tired. You get tired of keeping on the edge.
get tired इधर नहीं था
Okay, give your hand, guys. Give your hand. Yes, that's our Dronacharya.
he's training Arjuna so he handles Dronacharya good is Lala Abhijit
Hare Krishna, wave at the drone and don't be disappointed if it doesn't wave back at you.
waving 360 degree 4 hands
Hare Hare. कुछ कर रहे हैं?
Hare Krishna, Hare
Are you
Krishna.
done?
मैं सो जाता
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
इसका बैटरी रहेगा अच्छा डन चार्ज है पूरा Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hey, good job.
Krishna Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I did not allow me to sleep. He was lying down, right? Just put the mic in front of me.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Short. Auto వచ్చిందా? Give me hand.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama
Tell them to take little bit speed.
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare.
Hang on tight. Hang on tight. Stay. Actually, slow is only better. I take this. This is good. This speed is good. You just double the speed. This is good. So run. Continue.
Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna.
You're going to go from left to right.
Okay.
Everybody has to.
Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare.
So let's start with myself. I'm Govinda Charan Das from.
No, Mike. Mike will be difficult. So let them mingle. Actually, tell them to introduce the left side guy and right side guy. Listen. Let them introduce. Let them have fun. Let's try.
So you have to be loud enough so I can repeat for Zoom, okay? Yeah.
That's all the introduction is done. Everybody's done.
Dallas, Texas. Dallas,
Babu,
Texas. Very
sit
good.
down.
Suniti Sushila Devi Dasi from Dallas, Texas.
Haribol, welcome.
Maybe we can guess who her spiritual master would be.
No, too dangerous. Just pass the mic.
Pass.
No. Don't Jervo. Say it. No, we're going there. It's come. No, this already come. No. We want you to serve us more. You have to make rasam for 3,000 people. No. It's come. Cows are there. We'll do it later. Trust me. Cows are there, Baba. Come. No, we're not going to do. We don't have time. We'll do later. We'll fulfill your wish for sure, but not now. Yeah. See, cows are coming. Cows. See, cows in the front. Cows in the front.
Say loud, please.
Yeah. Yeah, then let them talk. Okay. You stay here. You're too precious. I don't want to let you.
After Sushila, what's okay? Actually, let's
Prabhu,
repeat the
hold up,
names.
यहाँ आ जाओ.
Ananya,
Mic is not working. This is not working. Turn on the mic.
Sushi from where? Dallas. Very good. Suvarna Gopi from Dallas.
Pravya from Dallas.
Shavya from Dallas.
Hey, Dallas is
Hari
winning.
bol. Dallas Dham ki jai. Mithil, where is Mithil? Huh? I told you to come here, right?
Haripallavi Devdasi from Dallas. Jai.
My mic, I need mic, please. Mic, back. The program is coming. Mic, please, mic. Mithil, get the drone out. Dronacharya. Mithil, get the drone out. Mithil. Drone. Mithil. Drone. Get in. Get it up. Okay, we are coming across cow. Go Mata ki jai.
Hare Krishna. In case you are wondering why this part of the program is not so organized, is to just demonstrate simple living. But we haven't had time to work on the high thinking part. So just simple living for now.
Drone, where is Mithil yaar? Where is drone? Do you see the drone?
Okay, can you see the cows ahead of us?
Mithil, drone out. This is the best part when he's not playing the drone. Stop. Tell them to stop. Sorry, Chandramohan jump. Put the mic here. Oh, nice try there. सामने करो. Hari bol. Where is drone? We need.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, now continue. Go Mata ki.
Jai.
Go Mata ki.
Jai.
Go Mata ki.
Jai.
Let's chant Hare Krishna for Go Mata. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna. One more time.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna,
Stop. You want to feed cow mata? You want to feed cow mata? You want to feed? Okay, give to them. Let them feed. Pepe, this is our Pepe. This is our cowboy. He is taking care of the cow. Give them this. They'll feed. Can they feed, Pepe? Can they feed? Mithil, can you take drone shot from that side of cow? Oh, he's already. Pepe, give some to them. Let them feed. Can somebody speak in Spanish?
I can make it.
No. We have. Do you know why we have donkey here? Can anybody guess? What is donkey doing here? Donkey is protecting cows. Go Mata. Tulsi Prabhu, they'll run away. Tulsi Prabhu, you come. Okay, take pictures, selfies. We have 66 Gaumata. By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we were able to save them from going to butcher house. Haribol. You see, this is... Actually, now I'll tell later about this. If I tell now, it will be not fun. Okay, let's go. Amigo, stay close, stay close, stay close, stay close. Arriba! Arriba! Oh, the water source, yeah. I can see that. I can see the water. Wow, this is fun. Send Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Gomata, this. Mataji, they told this looks just like Vrindavan. This is where they drink the water.
Hare Krishna, raise your hands. This place
Hare Hare. Property. Property. No, just say property.
The first way.
Raise
Raise your hands if you are able to hear us.
Chandramangal.
Are you able to hear us? Okay. If this place reminds you of Braj, please raise your hands.
No, say.
Chandramohan Prabhu, are you able to hear us? Okay.
Yes, we can hear you.
You're able to hear us. Okay.
Yes.
If this place reminds you of Raja, can you raise your hands? Hare Krishna. Everybody from are you able to hear us?
The car will not move without that.
We can.
Does this place remind you of Raja?
Everybody.
Please raise your hands if so.
All of you. Hare Bol. Wait a minute, right there. Mataji, hold hand. Okay, now go very slow. Jackson, tell everybody to stay close. Okay.
Oh, don't stop on the
Hare Bol. Can we stay together? Very drone.
in the first vehicle, the front of the first vehicle, top of the first vehicle.
Mithil, this is the drone time. This is the time for the drone. This is the best time for the drone. Mathil, you should come with us, buddy. Because we are going through the Shamakund Radhakund. Yeah. I tell Mithil to come. Boलो. Mic में बोलो. इसको बुला लो, इधर ही बुला लो. फिर मेरे को चिल्ला के बोलना पड़ेगा. Yeah, call it. Wait. Call all the kids also if they want to come. He's on service. We cannot have fun right now.
What are we looking for?
Mithil. He has to keep screaming what to do. He doesn't know the main spots, right? अच्छा आजा बड़े तू गैप कब हो गया यही था ना तो इतना मेहनत करने जब किया था because he's giving that he's feeding them if they're falling that's asking actually they should be in front. Okay, come. Thank you so much Mithil, sorry buddy we have to take you, we have to hijack you. Mithil, this is the best place.
I'm right there.
Because water is coming. Okay. So go दोनों साइड से पूरा कवर करना दोनों शाम को रात को निकाल के फिर कवर करना वाटर को ठीक है. Okay, let's go.
Go slow, together, close. Go slow, and together. Stay close. Tulsi Babu, hold this. Sometimes you put this way, sometimes you put back way. Stand, hurry. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Araya Govindaya Namo Namaha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Nanda Gopak Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Sarvadharma parityaja mamekam sharanam vraja aham tam sarva papebhyo mokshasami ma sucha. Okay, you ready? We are looking at Shyamakunda Radhakunda. Shyamakunda Radhakunda ki jai. Shyamakunda Radhakunda ki jai. You can take the throne, friend. Yeah, wherever you are. Okay. Shyamakunda ki jai. Radhakunda ki jai. Any song you know? Shyamakunda Radhakunda. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan. Shri Govinda Gopinatha Madana Mohan. Shri Govinda Gopinatha Madana Mohan. Shama Kunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhana. Shama Kunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhana. Anindi Kalindi Jamuna Jaya Jaya Mahama. Vansi Gata Vansi Gata Gadasayana Asabalila Koilo Nanda Nanda Jahasabalila Koilo Nanda Nanda Shinanda Yashoda Jaya Jaya Gopaga Shinanda Yashoda Jaya Jaya Gopaga. Everybody, Shri Damadi Jaya. Shri Damadi Jaya. Here we go. Yeah, we're going. Yeah, we're going to get down. Just after these prayers. Jagavano Jaya Kitada Sundar. Wait, after prayers. Namase after prayers. Jaya Purnamasi Jaya Abhira Nagari Jaya 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 Gopeshwara Vrindavana Ma. Jaya Jaya Krishna Sata Atudhijara Jaya Rama Gata Jaya Rama Gata Jaya
Rohini Nanda Vrindavan Jaya Jaya Vrindavana Vasi Jata Jaya Jaya Bija Patni Jaya Kakanyaga Jaya Dvija Patni Jaya Naga Kanyaga Jaya Radha Hira Samandana Jaya Jaya Radha Jaya Jaya Rasa Lila Sarva Manora Jaya Jaya Jvala Rasa Sarva Rasa Jaya Jaya Jvala Rasa Sarva Rasa Beach Brajete Pracha Parakiya Bhave Jaha Brajate Pracha Nijanavapada Pada Koriya Sara Dina Krishna Dasa Kohe Namaskankita Dina Krishna Nava Kohe Namaskankita Jaya Radhe Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
नहीं अब तो आ रहा है पहले जब वो ट्रक पे थे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
right now okay, if you want to pause Zoom we can but we are broadcasting globally I'll charge the battery
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, so there are some ways. You see how the Mataji is sitting there and taking pictures. Those are photo spots with family, with groups. You can take pictures of this background. There are different places. Take pictures. We spend 10 minutes here, then get back because we have to go to cows, and then before it's dark, we have to go for carrot farming. Carrot harvesting. Very well.
Who is that?